Hey there, friends. I'm Anthony Barrett with Mid-Atlantic Funding, NMLS number 143838. Yes, I'm rocking the Hawaiian shirt again because honestly, refinancing doesn't have to feel boring or intimidating. We can talk money and still keep it relaxed, colorful, and maybe even a little fun. Today, we're talking about something that can save you thousands of dollars, refinancing your mortgage. At the end of this video, you'll learn a few things: what refinancing is, when it makes sense, what mistakes to avoid, and how to decide if it's right for you. And stick around because I've got a first-time refinancing checklist that you can download. Trust me, it'll make the whole process way easier. And stick around because I've got a first-time refinancing checklist that you can download for free. Trust me, it'll make the whole thing a lot easier for you. All right, let's break it down. Refinancing means trading in your old mortgage for a new one. Same house, same brand, new terms. Why should you do that? 3 big reasons: snag a lower rate, keep more money in your pocket; change loan terms, pay it off faster, stretch it out for lower monthly payments. Also, tap into your home's equity. This is a fancy way of saying you can use your home's value to pay for renovations, consolidation debt, or even fund the big expenses. It's like upgrading your phone. Your house stays the same, but your plan just gets a whole lot better. It's like upgrading your phone. Your house stays the same, but your plan gets a whole lot better. Now, how do you know when it's time to refinance? When is it really worth it? Good times to refinance is when the interest rates drop by at least 1% of your current mortgage. You want to swap a 30-year for a 15-year mortgage and build up equity a lot faster. If you're stuck in an adjustable rate mortgage and you feel now is the time to lock it in and get the peace of mind of a fixed rate, or you've built up enough equity finally drop the mortgage insurance. The golden rule is this: don't refinance just because your neighbor said they did it. Their situation isn't your situation. Always run the numbers for yourself to make sure you're doing the right thing for you and your family. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Refinancing is not free. Usually, the pay for closing costs is around 2 to 5% of the loan amount. That would cover the appraisal, title, lender fees, and the whole package. But now you could roll that into your mortgage with the refinance. But the key question is, how long does it take to break even? If you save $200 a month but spend $4,000 on closing costs, that would take you about 20 months to recoup it. Now you have to see if it's worth it. If you plan on moving in the next 2 years, it probably does not make sense to refinance. But if it's your forever home, the savings will be really big, and that'll add up over time. There's more than one flavor of refinancing. Here's the menu. Rate and term refinance, the classic. Change your rate, your term, or both. Cash out refinance. Take out more than you owe and get the difference in cash. New roof, new kitchen, college tuition, but remember, it's still a loan. Cash in refinance. Bring money to the table to shrink your balance, maybe score a better rate. Now there's also streamlined refinancing, which is for VA, FHA, and USDA loans. Less paperwork, sometimes no appraisal, much faster process. Think of it like picking your favorite Hawaiian shirt. Different patterns, but they all serve the same purpose: fit your lifestyle. Now here's the play-by-play. First off, you want to check your credit. We need to know if you're solid. 2, get pre-approved or pre-qualified. See what you qualify for. Step 3, apply for your refinance. Break out those pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. Then after that, you'll get an appraisal. Someone will come out and check the value of your home. Then it'll be an underwriting. The lender will double check everything. That's their way of trust but verified trust. Then it'll go into underwriting. The lender double checks everything. This is their trust but verified stage. Closing. Sign the papers, pay the costs, and boom, your old loan is gone, your new one is live. Timeline, 30 to 45 days. Roughly about as fast as you could binge watch a Netflix show. Now let's save you some headaches, rookie mistakes. I've seen them all. Refinancing too early or too often. Every loan has costs. Chasing tiny rate drops can actually cost you money in the long run. Ignoring the break-even points. Saving $100 a month sounds sweet, but if it takes 6 years to recoup the costs, it's not worth it. Overdoing cash out refinance. Don't strip your house bare. That equity is your safety net. Opening lines of credit. Don't buy a car or open a new line mid-refi. Seriously, it's like tripping over the finish line. At the end of the day, refinancing is personal. It depends on your goals. Want lower monthly payments? Rate and term may help. You want to be mortgage free sooner? Swapping down to a 15-year would do the trick. Need cash for a project? A cash out might be the move, but use it wisely. It's not a one size fits all. That's why it pays to talk it through with someone who can actually run the numbers for you. So here's the takeaway. You can save money with a refinance, cut years off your mortgage, or unlock the equity from your home. But the key is doing it at the right time and for the right reasons. If you're thinking about refinancing, let's talk. Call me, Anthony Barrett, at Mid-Atlantic Funding, NMLS 143838. My number is 570-348-9353. You can also email me at tbarrett@midatlantic.com or visit me on the webpage, www.midatlanticfunding.com. And if you're ready to start right now, you can hit the apply link in the description. And don't forget to grab your free first time refinancing checklist. Thanks for hanging out with me. And hey, hit the subscribe button. Who knows what Hawaiian shirt I'll be wearing next time. Have a great day.